In this video, we're gonna make an easy, no-bake, 5-ingredient peanut butter pie that anyone can make at home. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Bill.
And I'm Sue.
And this is RTurn Food Adventures.
The 5 ingredients we'll be using for this pie are going to be 1, a already baked crust. We're using chocolate crust. You can use a graham cracker crust or whatever you like to use. We're also going to have 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, creamy, no nuts. A small disclaimer, if you have a peanut allergy, you might not want to make this pie. Our next ingredients is going to be 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. This is going to be the confectioner sugar, not a regular sugar. It's the thinner, finer sugar. Also, our last ingredient for this pie is going to be an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. You want the 8-ounce, not the large one, unless you're making more than one pie. We're going to add the cream cheese and peanut butter, and we're going to mix that with an electric mixer until they're creamy and smooth. This is going to be a thick mixture. Next, we're going to add the powdered sugar and mix. Once this is mixed completely, we're going to want to add the Cool Whip. And this we're going to fold into our mixture. After folding the Cool Whip into the mixture, we used an electric mixer just to smooth it out for our pie. Then we're going to take our batter, we're going to pour it into our pie, and we're going to smooth out the top. Make it nice and smooth. Once you've got your filling in your pie crust, we're going to decorate the top with different types of candies such as Reese's peanut butter cups and chocolate morsels, peanut butter morsels, anything that you like, really. And then we're going to put it in the freezer for 3 hours, or you can refrigerate it for 5 before you cut it.
So after making it, photographing it, we finally get to eat it. We'll go ahead and make sure to link the recipe down below. And if you guys like this video, we'd appreciate the like button. That's really good.
That's good.
So, check out our other videos on whatever we're doing. You just never know what you're going to get with RTurn Food Adventures.
Bye.